Hey, it's Shanshan from the artist from shanshan.co, and also I have specials on eBay. I'll be doing a painting today. I'm just trying to figure out what I want to have for lunch first. So the question of the day would be, how long did the ice ages last? Alright guys, we're about ready to go to the gallery here. Gonna get in the car and go. Hey guys, it's Shanshan from the artist of shanshan.co. Today I'm going to be working on a glacier painting, so that should be really cool. As we know, this Glacier National Park, it was formed by the glaciers. Now that comes from the Ice Age, and this is kind of the last remains of the park. Basically, the glaciers went all the way down to probably half of the United States, and now they've kind of retreated. They're a little bit in Canada, sporadically, Alaska obviously, but most of it's retreat. So this will be a waterfall that was formed by the glaciers, so it should be really cool. Wish me luck. Alright, so now let's do the colors. Got titanium, Mars black, Quinn red, yellow oak, Indian yellow hoot, raw umber, Van Dyke brown, iron oxide, phthalo turk, phthalo blue, phthalo green, and primary yellow. Now we're off to the races. about the Ice Age. There's actually 5 ice ages, so I didn't know that. There's Hurrian, Carolingian, Andean, Saharan, Karoo Ice Age, and the current Quaternarian glaciation. So it's been ice-free up to 6 of those periods. Basically, they last, well, it can last up to 200 million years, so thank God we're not in the Ice Age. We'd be frozen to death. So there's a whole bunch on Wikipedia, but that's about it. All right, guys, thanks. All right, we're back again. My camera died, so I have to use the iPhone, so pardon my French. I'm going to zoom in manually. So this is the final scene. The sky I feel okay with. I don't know if I have a great transition. I like the mountains pretty well. The top of these rocks are really challenging as well as the waterfall. This time around I actually got a chance to finish the waterfall as opposed to my last painting. Anyway, I think that's pretty cool. I think I could just, it's like a painting where you feel like you keep working, but at some point it's just like, pull the plug, dude.
Like this, Brian. I need you to pull the plug.
Well, I can't.
It's not getting, you're getting that 1% range, it's like, whatever, you know. Anyway, if you like it, give me a big thumbs up, and if you want to subscribe below. And hopefully you can share with your friends, and I hope you like it. I'll see you guys later.